We'll guide you through how to hide desktop icons in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So there are different ways you can go about this, depending upon what you want to do. For example, there may just be a certain app or game you want to go and hide, or you want to go and hide all of them. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure this is full guide and you can go and work out and decide what you can go and do to achieve the result you want. So to go and get started, let's go and say there's a specific app you want to go and hide the icon for. So because these are apps and they're shortcuts, they've got this arrow one, we can go and delete it and the app is still going to remain on a computer. We've just gone and deleted this shortcut essentially. So for example, here I've got Steam, Chrome, Adobe Acrobat with these arrows on. So I can just go and click on it, right click it and press the trash can icon at the top and it's then deleted. But I can always go and re-add it by pressing the Windows Start button, pressing all, and I can find it in this list here and then click, hold, and I can go and add it and drag it back on. So it's really simple like that. But if you want to go and hide all of them, you can go and right click in some blank space, hover over view and unselect show desktop icons and they'll all be hidden as you can see. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day. I'll catch you again soon.